Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Junction. I am Praveen Kumar Dhankar. Do like, share and subscribe for my latest videos. This tutorial based on how to write letter using LaTeX. And LaTeX, as you know, it's a scientific writing software. So I'm coming directly to my text window. Here you come and just simply you start with your letter with using command slash document class. Here I am giving the size of 12 point and the class is letter, and here you can give your address as I am giving slash address, my name Praveen Kumar Dhankar, as a scholar, RTM Nagpur University Nagpur, and email ID, and slash date, and I put slash today. So it gives today's date, that is 27/2020, and my sign slash signature Praveen. And now I started document with the command slash document class slash begin document and then slash begin letter. So now I have addressed this letter to whom. So I have to write the name of the particular person where whom I am writing this letter. So I'm here, I am writing this letter for the Secretary of Science and Engineering Research Board, which is in under Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, New Delhi. There is Professor Sandeep Verma. So then this is the address, as you are seeing, address whom you are directing, whom you are writing your letter. Then you start with slash opening. Respected sir, we want to thank you for launching this National Postdoc Fellowship for PhD student through Serve DST India with the following excellent feature. So then I start with slash begin enumerate, then slash item. So here you see automatically it gives number. So I write the fellowship, which is of rupees 55,000 per month plus HRA, 35,000 per month plus HRA for candidate who have submitted the thesis but degree not yet awarded. Then slash second point with the slash item command, research grant of 2 lakh per annum, slash overhead 1 lakh per annum, then slash call of application for serve NPDF will be notified through the website. This is the website I have given, these both website, and then I end this slash end numerator. So numbering will be given only these particular four things which is used by slash item command. Then we pleased to support for PhD student and regards. Then I am concluding it slash closing, your sincerely CC PhD student RTM Nagpur University. Then end with this letter with slash end letter, and then I put slash end document. So if you can see on the right side, so letter type is this type of letter comes on your screen. So easily you can print this and directly can send to anyone. I'm just run it once. So again I am running it, so it is same, the output is same. Here you give your signature and then you can send it to whom you want to send it. So for this, thank you for watching my channel and being with me for this scientific writing software series. So thank you very much.